Hello everyone and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. I'm so glad you could join me. This is Dawn. I'm here to share a quick product review video for the Whimsy Stamps Slimline Tapered Frames die set. This is a 6-piece die set. You get 5 layers plus the middle piece when it's cut out. I'm going to die cut them out so you can see what they look like. You could stack the layers inside one another from biggest to smallest if you wanted. There's a lot you could do with this set. For example, you could make a multicolored layered frame to put around your card. So like one layer is one color, one layer is another color, which is kind of nice. The largest frame measures approximately 3 1/8 inch wide, and the smallest frame measures approximately 1 1/8 inches wide. The tallest frame measures approximately 8 1/8 inches tall, and the smallest frame measures approximately 6 1/4 inches tall. Here's a card I made using the Slimline Tapered frame die set, and I paired it up with the bold ABC dies, the diagonal dots embossing folder, the magical birthday wishes stamp set, and the bookmark tag and die set. That completes my product review for today. I hope you enjoyed this release. Don't forget to head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website and check out the entire release that is available today. Also, we would love for you to subscribe to all the Whimsy Stamps social media platforms so you don't miss out on any new releases and great inspirational videos. As always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.